Good morning, everybody. Hope y'all are having a good day. It's a great day here. Just doing a little bit of work, trying to get a couple of small projects done. I've got one today. It's a set of exhaust manifolds with some rusted in studs. It's nothing great, but thought it'd be interesting. We've tried to soak them in penetrating oil. We've tried to heat them. Done just about everything. So now it's a matter of drilling them and tapping them. So let me show you what we've got. Alright, so this is the set of manifolds. As you can see, they've got studs in the collector here, and like I said, we've heated these, we've soaked them in penetrating oil, we've done everything short of cracking the cast, and we don't want to do that. So at this point, we're going to have to drill and try to retap the holes. So first thing is cut the stud off, try not to gouge into this material. I've center punched it and drilled the first hole. So now we're going to enlarge this hole until we can get a tap through it to clean out the trash and hopefully restore the threads. So let's see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, I've got the hole drilled. It's just slightly off center, but I still think it's going to clean up okay. So now we need to get the rest of this material out and run the tap through it to clean the threads up. Alright, so I drilled it out and then I took a punch. Let's see, where is it? Right there. I took that punch and knocked out the rest of the stud that was in it. We're going to clean it up with the tap die. Put a little oil in there. I don't know that I can do this one-handed. The threads feel pretty good. Yeah. Oh, there's a catch right there. Oh. Man, you can't ask for better than that. Alright. One down. 3 to go. Alright folks, there they are. Like I said, this one I got a little deep with the grinding wheel, but we cleaned it up and got it smoothed out. I think everything will still work good. That one we were able to get out without any trouble. This one fought us just a little, but we were able to salvage the original threads, so that's good. And this one as well, we were able to salvage the threads. We didn't have to actually make new threads in any of them, so we were able to get the studs undone, get them knocked out, and get the tap run through them. They're ready to go back to the customer. So this is an easy fix. I got lucky with these. Sometimes the housings, the exhaust manifolds will crack if their casting's bad or contaminated. Sorry about that. But it worked out really well. These will go back. They'll be perfectly good to put back in service. This is a simple job that you can do as long as you've got patience. It took about 2 hours to do this with the heating, trying to break them loose, soaking them, and then drilling and tapping them out. So it wasn't a really time consuming. It's just you gotta be methodical. You gotta take your time and do it slowly and correctly, because if you're off center with the first hole you drill, you trashed out the threads and you gotta start all over. So that's the way I did it on this. I could have tried to weld a nut on there, but I was really worried about cracking the casting. So especially once we heated it as hot as we did, and it still didn't budge. So that's the way I prefer to do this one. There are times where I'll weld a nut onto the stud and take it off and it works just fine, but it just depends on the material you're working on. So, hey, I hope y'all are having a great day. Thank you for all the subscriptions, the comments, the follows. Appreciate it. We've got a couple of new subscribers. Thank you. I hope y'all are enjoying the show. Hope you're enjoying the ride. Come with us and let's see where it goes. Hope you're having another great day in paradise. I know I am.